What makes Tamaki stand out above other healthcare providers is our willingness to be available and accessible to our patients, our innovative and thoughtful approach about delivering care to communities, and the scale, which means we can support all of that really well.
In 1977, we had an opportunity to purchase a small general practice in Otara. And so to make our business viable, we needed to tune in to what was needed.
Our commitment was to provide more than the normal general practitioner in a very cost-effective manner, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. It's a complete model.
I've worked in a number of organisations across my career, but there is a feeling about the people in Tamaki Health that makes you just get really excited to get up every morning and come to work.
I love working here because of the diversity of population that I see. It's a large community that we are here to serve.
So what's the outcome from developing a culture of learning? We can improve health outcomes and reduce disparities with equity and improve patient care as a result.
The community benefits from Tamaki Health support because we offer a huge range of services in a very wide range of disciplines.
So Tamaki Health approaching to patient care, it's one of the best modalities I've ever come across. They approach the patient as a whole, not only as an individual.
Tamaki Health aligns with my own values in that they're wanting to deliver affordable healthcare, removing barriers for some of the more vulnerable populations in New Zealand.
So I'm really passionate about the growth of our nursing workforce, which is really important to our future within Tamaki in developing all nurses. Our nurses are a highly skilled team of nurses who are very knowledgeable.
Obviously we're there to be able to deliver patient care 24 hours a day. Now that can obviously come with its challenges at 2 a.m. in the morning.
They have been a really big part of the community in urgent care in Auckland for such a very long time. I think lots of people recognise that you can get good medical care in White Cross, and it's very multidisciplinary.
One thing that is really good about urgent care is that we take the pressure off the emergency departments. So we see a lot of the bulk of the patients that they might have otherwise been seeing.
We lead the competition because we have got really well-bedded systems and processes, really experienced clinicians with decades of experience, innovations in our blood.
We went through a process of moving all of our individual data sets and our clinics into one common operating platform, and we did that so we could leverage a single database that consists of over 1.5 million patient records.
Tamaki is probably one of the most innovative companies I've ever worked for.
One of the things that I think is really awesome about what we do is our ability to roll out technology really rapidly.
They're always looking to be ahead of the game. So if we look at when COVID came along, for example, and we weren't able to do face-to-face consultations anymore, along came Better.
We were the first telehealth company in New Zealand, and so that really speaks for itself, as to our innovation, that greater network that we have that provides the synergy for a telehealth doctor to be able to do so much more than a lot of our competitors.
We've really been given incredible space to do innovative things. It's one of the really great things about working embedded in clinics because you actually get to see the results of your work. And we've grown from 30-something to 60-something staff in a year through rolling out this integrated model. We can offer a diversity of services that no other GP organisation in the country can.
From the board to our PHO to our clinical staff, everybody has supported me to achieve the results for my 4 months program, and it has been amazing because we have actually made a difference in 800 plus mama and 500 plus babies' life.
There shouldn't be any limitations for patients accessing healthcare, and that's what I love about Tamaki Health.
I have 3-4 generations I've been treating them, so this connection is really mean a lot to me.
The other thing that I love about my role is the support from the organisation to do what I do best, and that is engaging and connecting our community to our health services.
But at Tamaki we've got a special, unique group of people who put in an amazing amount of discretionary effort every day to make a difference for the populations that we look after.
It really comes down to two things. The first is an environment that really values and supports innovation. And the second thing is, though, an environment that actually puts the patient at the heart of it and around what it takes to actually make a difference.
I'm really thankful to be a part of Tamaki Health family.
It feels like it's a family, and you know, they all come together with one purpose.
There are expectations which are real. There is great fun and camaraderie. When people have short notice, high pressure projects, everyone pulls together.
Well, I'm super proud of our whole team throughout clinics across the entire country. The depth of experience and passion that they have for caring for our patients is just unrivaled.